Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my video today. I have for you 5 different options for Dollar General 5 off of 25 this Saturday the 28th. In this video, I'm probably going to go over only the first 2 because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so let's get into it. For the first option, you will pick up one Todd Simply Pod, which is on sale this week for $2.95. There is a $2 off of one digital coupon that will make it only 95 cents. The next item that we will pick up will be the Tide Pods at $4.95. There is a $3 off of one digital coupon this week that makes it only $1.95. For our next item, we will pick up one Tide liquid detergent at $4.95. There is a $2 off of one digital coupon, making it only $2.95. The next item that we will pick up will be the Gain dishwashing liquids. They are regular priced at $2. However, this week they're also on sale for buy one get one free. There is a $2 off of 2 digital that you will use that will make both of those free. We will also pick up 2 of the Dawn dish liquids. They are on sale this week, 2 for $5. There is a dollar off of one digital coupon that will make those 2 for $4. Then we will go ahead and grab a Gain liquid detergent. It's on sale this week for $3.95. There is a $2 off of one digital coupon that will make that $1.95. With that digital coupon, you have the option of getting either the Gain liquid, the Gain flings, or the Gain powder. The last item that we will pick up will be a Gain softener. It's also priced at $3.95. There's also a $2 off of one digital coupon that will make that $1.95. With that coupon, you have the option of getting the Gain softener, the Gain fireworks, or the Gain dryer sheets. That will bring your total to $29.75. A total of $21 in coupons will come off, making it only $8.75 plus tax out of pocket. Okay, so for our second option, we will pick up the Purex liquid detergent, priced at $6.85 this week. There's a $1.50 off coupon, making it $5.35. The second item that we will pick up will be the Purex crystals. They're on sale this week for $3. There's also a $1.50 off coupon, making it $1.50. Then we will pick up 2 of the Febreze Air Effects, priced 2 for $6 this week. There's also a $3 off of 2 digital that will make that $3. You will pick up 2 of the Gain dish liquids, regularly priced at $2 each. However, this week they are on sale, buy one get one free. So that will bring you to $4. The $2 will come off of the free item, and then there is a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that would also come off, which would make both of them free. Then you pick up one of the Downy softeners at $4.50. There is $1 off of one digital coupon that will make that $3.50. And the last item that we would grab for this scenario would be the Renewsit at 95 cents. There is a 10-cent digital coupon that will make it 85 cents. Your total for all those items will be $25.30. Once those coupons come off, it would take $16.10 off, making your out of pocket only $9.20 plus tax.